9 passive income ideas to grow wealth in 2023. Anita, you receive a consistent salary from your 9 to 5 work. Yes, Samita. Anita, that's great. But you know deep down inside that you've always desired more. More cash, more liberties, more adaptability. You consequently determine that it is time to finally raise your existing income. Creating a passive income stream is one of the finest methods to increase your income with minimum effort. The 9 strategies in this video are broken down so that you can continue working your full-time job while earning a passive income. In order to finally earn more than you could have imagined, build and monetize a blog. Anita, you may be familiar with blogging generates a passive income source. Numerous business owners have used blogging to generate passive income from things like affiliate links, courses, sponsored posts, merchandise, and book deals. Building a great blog can in fact require a significant amount of initial work. However, developing an email list or generating organic and social traffic is one of the best long-term approaches to build an audience. The primary benefit of having a blog is that it can be used to generate multiple streams of revenue from one asset. So, Shamita, if you're seeking for a simple passive income concept, blogging might be the best fit for you. Half-Bank's founder, Desiree Odijic, explains, I started my blog to make talking about personal finance more approachable, and as part of it, I tend to share a lot of personal stories. They often included shout-outs to the tools I was using and found helpful. So it was a natural transition to add affiliate links as I joined those companies' programs. Now that I have been covering personal finance for almost 4 years on my blog, those links reliably bring in 4 figures every month. As people discover my articles and start to get their finances in order, and I feel fantastic recommending them because I do personally use all my affiliate products. It's a fantastic strategy to boost your company's passive income. Create and sell online courses. Selling online courses might be an excellent passive income concept for you. If you are an expert in a particular subject or industry, you'll find plenty of people prepared to pay to access your content, whether you sell it through your own website or online learning marketplace like Udemy. Of course, selling on sites like Udemy makes things simpler, but you should be aware that sometimes your course will be severely discounted. Your passive income will be impacted by this. You have control over pricing when you sell on your own website, and you don't have to give up your profit margins just because someone else is offering a lower price. According to Trump Excel founder Sumit Bansal, in 2013, I began a blog about Excel spreadsheets. I did it because I believed it would be a nice opportunity to share my knowledge of spreadsheets with others as I was learning a lot about them. In 2 years, it began to gain momentum and was receiving more than 100,000 page visits per month. I made the decision to develop an online course to see if it would be successful, and it was. After making some excellent side money for a while, I made the decision to make this my full-time job and release more courses. Since then, the blog has grown significantly, and I have been featured on numerous important websites and magazines, including ProBlogger, YouStory, Glassdoor, CEO Magazine, and others. Instagram sponsored posts. Anita, Shamita, what number of Instagram followers do you currently have? I have 2,000 followers, Shamita. Anita, that's fantastic. If you have a large number of Instagram followers, you should consider posting sponsored material. Instagram sponsored posts are pieces of content that support a particular good or service, often owned by a sponsoring party. Publishers who produce and distribute content promoting sponsors' brands are paid by the sponsors. Increasing your Instagram following will help you get sponsored. You should be consistent in the type of content you produce. so that sponsors know what to expect. Also, stick to one niche. Brands favor creators who can publish high-quality material on a single topic. Make sure your email address is included in your Instagram bio. As your account expands, you can employ virtual assistants to promote sponsored posts on your behalf. The more requests for sponsored posts you receive, the more passive income you will be able to produce. Invest in stocks. When it comes to the world's richest people's income sources, it's reasonable to conclude that stocks have played a significant role in their deep, unending bank accounts. Although buying stocks is a rather passive activity, the research that goes into it is active. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages a day, but not just any mystery book. Nope, he reads the yearly reports of the companies. He has a greater understanding of the company's performance by doing this, which enhances his stock investment skills. You can generate passive income from stock investments that is significantly greater than what your salary at 9-to-5 job is worth. So, if you're knowledgeable about multiple markets, think about using this passive income strategy. Buy and sell property. Real estate can be a fantastic source of passive income depending on where and when you decide to invest. Compared to the average prices from the previous year, home prices in well-known locations like Dubai are expected to grow at an astonishing 12% to 20%. By investing in pre-built condominiums, you might be able to find some more affordable properties that will appreciate in value after they are fully created, allowing you to resell them at a profit. As with any investments, it can be hazardous, so if you are new to the game, it's better to consult with a real estate agent to assist you in selecting an ideal investment property. Sell your videos. It could be a good idea to grab your phone and hit record if you frequently find yourself in the middle of drama and excitement. You can generate some passive income by doing that. You should be able to find an audience for your films since, according to the most recent video marketing statistics, consumers are infatuated with video content. Shamita, but why? You can sell the footage to a news website, Anita. According to the video, additionally, if the video becomes popular, you may be able to continue earning money for several weeks, months, or even years. Whenever there's controversy, you'll find opportunities for your content to be sold. And if you're good at producing entertainment content, companies will pay you to create viral videos along with offering a share of overall earnings. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is the passive revenue source that never stops. You'll discover that you may generate recurring income from your YouTube channel through sponsored videos and ad revenue. Producing content consistently over an extended period of time is the key to developing a successful YouTube channel. Make sure every video you publish is high quality and appealing to viewers. If you stick with it long enough, you'll eventually start reaping the benefits of passive income. Co-founder and COO of Slumber Yard, Matthew Ross, began his pursuit of passive income on YouTube. He said in 2013 that he and his business partner had a keen interest in wearable technology such as Garmin watches and Fitbit activity trackers, and made the decision to launch a YouTube channel to review this kind of merchandise. We genuinely just enjoyed trying out the timepieces and thought we could make a little extra money from advertising on the side. Total, we spent roughly $5,000 on the channel's development and the products for the reviews. However, the wearable technology market started to boom around that time, and we began earning more money than we ever dreamed. It goes without saying that I was able to make my pastime into a business. Our top-line revenue increased to more than $2.5 million. Help businesses bring in clients. Are you an expert in sales and marketing? If so, there are a ton of companies that will compensate you with referral money for referring them more customers. For instance, solopreneurs like DJs, photographers, and others are constantly trying to increase their customer base. They'll gradually offer you a referral incentive if you're successful in finding customers who sign a long-term contract. Therefore, if you are skilled at networking, you can begin creating a passive income through your relations. A few emails or messages are all it takes to launch this business. Write a book. Around 2010, ebooks suddenly became very popular, and they still are today. Anyone with in-depth knowledge of a certain field can create an ebook to share their ideas with the world. And you don't have to fight this battle alone. Platforms like Upwork make it simple for you to find book writers and editors who can assist with the process. You'll need to publish your manuscript through Amazon Kindle to make it available for your audience. To reach as many people as possible, marketing is also necessary. The most common way that ebook authors generate money is through page reads and Kindle sales once they've made it into the market. Passive income can significantly boost your wages and fill in the gaps that your 9-to-5 job cannot. If you're looking to create an additional income stream so you can strengthen your financial future, the ideas on this list can help you do that. And it's okay if you enjoy your full-time job as well. When combined with a 9-to-5 job, the work involved in generating passive income is typically manageable. You can do both. Therefore, there are numerous ways you can come up with ideas for passive income. For example, you may list all of your interests and research how other individuals create businesses around them. Thank you, Brain Drain family. If you liked the video, then do like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if there is any topic on which you want to see our video, then do let us know by commenting. See you soon with another amazing video.